Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. If you are preparing for a CTET Feb 2026, then you are at the right place. This is CDP Class 2nd, and today we are starting our key concept and revision series specially designed for a CTET Paper 1 and Paper 2. In this series, you will get most important CDP concepts, exam-oriented explanation, CTET level understanding, quick revision plus clarity in concepts. CDP is a scoring subject, but only if your concepts are clear. That's why in this class I will explain everything in a easy language, step by step with a CTET exam point of view. So keep your notebook ready, watch the video till the end, and let's move one step closer to clearing CTET 2026. Let's begin today's class. What is Bloom's taxonomy? Bloom's taxonomy is a classification of learning objectives. It explains how students learn, what type of learning outcomes teachers expect, level of thinking skills. Bloom's taxonomy tells us what level of learning a student has achieved. Who gave Bloom's taxonomy? Bloom's taxonomy was given by Benjamin Bloom. Used in teaching, lesson planning, question paper setting, assessment. Three domains of learning means CAP, trick of remember CAP means Bloom's divide learning into three domains. C means cognitive domain related to head, thinking, knowledge, mental ability. Now A means affective domain related to heart, feelings, attitude, and values. Now P psychomotor domain related to hand, skills, physical activities, actions. CAP means CAP, cognitive, affective, psychomotor. Exam trick, thinking is related to cognitive, attitude and value related to affective, skill and activity related to psychomotor domain. Now, cognitive domain, maximum questions come from cognitive domain. Cognitive domain deals with mental skills, knowledge, thinking process. Bloom's cognitive domain 1956 old taxonomy. Bloom's gave 6 level in 1956. Order lower to higher. First knowledge, second comprehension, third application, fourth analysis, fifth synthesis, sixth evaluation. Now explanation of this all domain. First knowledge. Knowledge means remembering facts, memorization. For example, define education. Write the capital of India. Keywords of this remember and recall. Now comprehension. Comprehension means understanding meaning, explaining in our own words. For example, explain democracy in your own words. Keywords explain and understand. Now 3 application. Application means using knowledge in a real situations. For example, apply a formula to solve a problem. Keywords of this apply and use. Now fourth, analysis. Analysis means breaking information into parts, finding relationship. For example, analyze cause of poverty. Keywords analyze and differentiate it. Fifth, synthesis means combining ideas, creating something new. For example, write a speech using given points. Keywords of this create and combine. Now last, 6 evaluation means judging, giving opinion with reasons. For example, evaluate the impact of NEP 2020. Keywords of this judge and evaluate. Now revise Bloom's taxonomy 2001. In 2001, Bloom's taxonomy was revised. Main change, noun change into verbs. Last two levels change in a order. New order, first remember, second understand, third apply, fourth analyze, fifth evaluate, sixth create. Highest level create, old versus new comparison. Old 1956, new 2001. Knowledge, new in remember, comprehension, understand, application, apply, analysis, analyze, synthesis, create, and last evaluation, evaluate. Revised taxonomy focuses on active learning. Exam based hints, highest level of cognitive domain, create, thinking and problem solving, cognitive domain. Old taxonomy use nouns, new taxonomy use in verbs. Bloom's taxonomy is used for learning objectives. Quick revision. Bloom learning objectives, three domains: CAP, cognitive, affective, psychomotor. Most important cognitive domain. Old taxonomy, knowledge to evaluation. Revised taxonomy, remember to create. Create is a highest level. That's all for today. CDP Class 2nd Bloom's Taxonomy. If you understand the class, like the video, comment Bloom clear. Subscribe to Archana's Teaching Hub. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Keep learning.